Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, huh? Is that your favorite thing? Does it feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah? It's a big yawn. I can't even tell if you're in focus. When she gets really happy with tickles, she starts making cutest little high-pitched noises. I'm trying to get her to do that again. Because I need to get it on tape someday. Or on, I guess it's not tape anymore. Need to record it. Yeah. Yeah. Am I making you yawn? Look at that happy face. It's not focused on her. Sorry about the back. There it is. Here's that little noise. Can you do it again? We could do this for hours, huh, Totoro? You could have me do this for hours and you'd be a happy little birdie. I wouldn't be surprised if she fell asleep. You zoning out? You zoning out a little bit, huh? How come you only made your little squeak once, huh? That's what I'm trying to catch here, is your little squeaks. Is that all you're gonna give me, is the once? Oh, there's one. I need to get you closer though, because you're so quiet. Am I messing up your hair, huh? Well, you did a few. You did a few little chirps. Too bad the window had to be in the background the whole time. It kind of messes up the lighting, but this is the only spot I could stick my camera for the moment. Well, let's move it so that the window's not in the background. Eagle! Yeah, Eagle! Oh, Eagle! Good job! Too bad you were out of focus that whole time. Eagle! 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 You flapping? Yeah? Eagle! Good girl! I've been trying to teach her to do that whenever I see Eagle. So far she just does it whenever. Eagle! Eagle! Good girl! It's kind of dark, huh? Do Eagle! Eagle! Good girl! Good girl! She's like, she doesn't get it. She just wants to be on my shoulder. Eagle! Okay. You just do whatever you want, huh? That's naughty. I'm supposed to... Yes, it is. I'm supposed to be the one that tells you when you can be on my shoulder. Yeah? Say hi, camera. Hi, camera. Yeah. You grinding your beak? You little ham. Yeah, you giving the camera the cute face. Kiss, kiss. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Did you almost fall off?